Hello YouTube, this is the model I'm getting ready to start. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing and kind of visualize everything, and then basically I'm going to dunk it in a simple green wash to get all the mold release agents off of it, and then we'll start building. But I'll go ahead and open it up. Alright, so I got the box lid off. We'll just go over what's in the kit here. This is basically the monogram molds from back in the day, the 80s, that Salvinos JR has got a hold of. And so they're reproducing the old monogram kits, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So this is the glass in a little baggie. I'll keep it in there until I'm ready for it. These are the tires. They are unbranded, but they do come with decals for Goodyear to put on there. This is the old Prix body. Just your typical 81 through, I guess, 85 Prix body. Got a little bit of cleanup, but not much, not too bad. We got the bag of goodies. If you get this kit, they got the spoiler just kind of hanging out in the box. Don't lose it. It's a better spoiler than the chrome one. Alright, roll cage left and right, also the back roll cage, and then the upper bar, along with the petty bar, I believe that is. Maybe not, but anyways, comes with that. Your typical flash cleanup around in that area, and these little dots here, some on the roll cage. The stuff you do every time, it happens. The hood, fuel cell, dashboard, firewall, radiator hose, rear bar, wheel backs, and pedal assembly on the steering shaft. Sorry, I was probably out of focus on that. So this is front bumper, rear bumper, seat, and then the front air dam. Here's the old monogram chassis. Truck arm suspension. There's the other roll bar, drive shaft, headrest, another bar that goes in with the roll cage, and this should be the last tree of white parts. Engine assembly, headers, shocks, exhaust, TV camera, heads, all your engine goodies, front suspension, all that good stuff right there. Rear axle. Chrome goodies. They got really good chrome. If you've not had one of their kits, the chrome is very nice. It's heavy to the touch, but it comes out really great quality. I'll probably leave the grill chrome. I got to paint over part of it, obviously, but most everything else I'm probably gonna, paint over the top of. This chrome is really hard to strip, so just kind of be prepared for that. So there's that. All right, here's the instruction sheet for this car. gives you the layout on how all the decals need to be, which I'll show you those too. There's the decal sheet. These are made by Power Slide. They're very good decals. Something that I will point out, like, so look at your contingency decals right here. All right, if you look on the box, he's got quite a few more on there, including Winston is one of them. He's got some other ones back here that I don't think they got a 7-Eleven on it. So what I am going to do with that is Mike's Decals has 1980s contingency decals all separate. So I'm going to use what I need on that. There's the Winston I'm going to use. 7-Eleven over here I'm going to use. So I'm going to try to make it as accurate as possible. Like I said in my first video, I'm making this for a friend for Christmas. So I want it to be as good as possible. So just going to add a few decals, nothing major. It should turn out really, really well. The only other thing that comes in here is a pamphlet about the Salvinos JR Model Builders Club. I am a member of this. Basically, it's like a Kid of the Month club. You give them your card information every month. They will bill you, and then they'll send you the newest kit that they have produced. So this past month for November was the 1983 Pontiac Le Mans driven by Tim Richmond, the old Milwaukee Pontiac Le Mans. I haven't got a chance to build one of the Le Manses yet, but they look really nice. So just something to think about if you are interested. It's a really good deal to be a part of. When you're in the Builders Club, every kit you get an extra set of decals for that model. Usually they throw in a sticker or two, and then they'll throw in some. They've been throwing in some Richard Petty Vermilions. So also with the Builders Club, I ordered the 83 Richard Petty Talladega kit with my Builders Club of the Month kit. So they also send a extra set of decals for that as well. So I've got 2 sets of these, and they sent the Vermilions for that car as well. I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. I attempted to on the 92 car and it went a little wonky, but I might try it on this, I might not. We'll see how it goes. So that's this kit, this version of it. I'm gonna put all that stuff in a tub, and I'm gonna put some Simple Green in it and get all the mold release agent off of it, and then we're going to go into some prep work, which is basically get rid of mold lines, do some assembly of some things, and then clean up those mold lines, and go on at it from there. So I'll be back soon. Thanks, everybody.